What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Tesla stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news, and I have to say that we have plenty of news that might drive for the price of Tesla either way. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So first of all, guys, I want to apologize for my voice because I'm still not in the best condition in terms of my health, and definitely it leads to just one video a day. So sorry about that. And let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point, and I've told you that most likely we should have a small leg to the upside to complete the fifth wave, and it should be the ending wave from this bottom to this very top. And I've told you that right after that we have to have a retracement. But instead of this movement to the upside, we broke this range of support and we went lower. And I have to say that it was my bold assumption and I was wrong with this forecast. But in general, I'm about 75 to 80% correct with my predictions. And you can watch the video in the description below and on your top right corner in order to prove my words. So, and this movement to the downside, as you can see, we had a harsh sell-off. We hit this range of support, bounced back a little bit, and then broke it to the downside, retested from the bottom as in a textbook, and went even lower. And I have to say that from my previous video, this asset to its lowest point lost about 13%, and right now it is hovering with the losses of about 8.34%. So definitely it happens, and you cannot be 100% right in each and every of your assumption. And that's why just be cautious and take a closer look on its price action and on its fundamentals. So, and what was the recent news related to Tesla? First of all, let me show you this one. We are on InsideEVs.com, and this article was published on December the 10th, and it's titled Tesla to temporarily suspend Model Y production in Shanghai. According to Reuters, the post will only be for the last week of December. And let me quote this. Tesla might slow down or even temporarily suspend some of its production lines at the Giga Shanghai plant in China this month. According to Reuters, an internal memo, as well as input from two people with knowledge of the matter, indicates that the assembly of the Model Y will be suspended between December 25th and January the 1st. And definitely it is not the best news for Tesla, and it might drive the price of Tesla on at the very beginning of upcoming week lower, and that's why we have to be cautious. So, and let's continue with other news that might drive the price of Tesla. So, first of all, let me show you this article. It was published also on InsideEVs.com on December the 7th, and it's titled Elon Musk to reportedly promote Tesla China president to global CEO. And let me quote you this. According to a report today by media publication Ping West, Tesla CEO Elon Musk has decided to promote the president of Tesla China, Tom-Zhu Xiaotong, to the position of global CEO for the electric automaker. The information is said to come from people familiar with the situation. And I have to say that I already covered the news that Elon Musk suggested a potential successor for Tesla CEO in recent months, and this news was published on November 16th, basically almost 1 month ago. And I have to say that it is not so bad as you might think. Definitely Elon Musk will not leave Tesla for 100%, and he's still the biggest shareholder of Tesla. And definitely this potential change in C executive positions couldn't affect the price of Tesla in a bigger scale. But on top of that, let me show you the news that was published on the next day, December the 8th, and we are on electric.co, and it says Tesla taps its head of China to take over Gigafactory Texas. And let me quote you this. Tesla has reportedly tapped Tom Zhu, president of Tesla in China, to take over leadership of Gigafactory Texas as the factory is trying to ramp up production. And this is, in my opinion, more realistic news because in general Tesla has to ramp up its production in their new factories in Giga Texas and Giga Berlin. And Tom Zhu made Giga Shanghai factory the biggest plant of Tesla that sets one record after another. And because of this, we might see this sooner ramp up of its production rates in Giga Texas. But let me show you another news directly related to Giga Berlin. And we are on inside EVs, and this article was published on December the 7th. And it says, Tesla employee claims labor disaster at Giga Berlin. The Tesla worker says the EV maker can't recruit enough employees. Many are leaving out sick or simply unmotivated. And definitely this might be quite a big problem for Tesla because they have to increase their production rates in Giga Berlin. But instead of this, they are fighting against some chaos with their labor force. So definitely this problem needs to be solved in nearest future, and that's why we have to be very cautious with any of our position. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, Tesla bounced off the range of about $168.81 and it didn't reach its lowest point, its swing low, and it missed for just several percent, about 1.5 or 2%. And this price action from this recent swing high to this swing low was quite harsh because it lost about 15% of its value without any retracements, and that's why it has to be some kind of retracement in order to unload this structure. And right now we are basically in the middle of nowhere because all of the indicators are pretty much in neutral territory, and because of this we have to see the next leg to the upside or to the downside in order to confirm the trend. The only positive sign that I can see right now is the volume right here. With this movement to the upside, we have quite a decent volume that is a bit higher than it was previously, and because of this we might consider that it is the beginning of the new uptrend. And if it is the case, definitely you can start to accumulate your position, but keep in mind that if this asset breaks this previous swing low at roughly $169.23 and this swing low at $166.46, definitely we will see another leg to the upside that will hit, and let me show you in a bigger picture. And previously I've told you that we might have this movement to the downside that will hit the golden pocket range, and let me show you that this range in between $152.41 and $165.25. And this range might be very crucial for Tesla because on a bigger scale, statistically, it is the most probable range of trend reversal. And if it happens, definitely right here, we will see the major increase in its volume because even algo trades will drastically increase its position in Tesla, and a lot of institutional investors also will add to its position or open their new position with Tesla at this very level. So just keep this in mind, but in general we have to see, let me show you more thoroughly, we have to see the next movement of this asset either way in order to confirm the trend. This means we have two crucial points to the downside that shouldn't be broken, and we have to see higher highs and higher lows, and the next range of resistance might be this swing high at $198.98. So just be very cautious with your position, but in general, in the long-term perspective, this asset is still very attractive as the contender of your investment portfolio. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just